Hi guys, this is your girl Motherland Goddess in the building, and I'm finally at a good place, and I'm starting my YouTube channel like I said I was. I have been pushing through, procrastinating, thinking, crying, talking to friends and family about it, and I finally did it, you guys. I have everything that I need. I have the lighting, I have the camera, I have the laptop. I'm learning the music part of it, and God knows I don't want to be flagged and I don't want any points out of my YouTube channel. And I've been doing so much research, and you're probably wondering, what is she doing? Who the hell is she? Why is she not introducing herself? So in this video, you can see me basically applying some concealer, playing with some makeup. I'm trying to be better on this makeup thing. I haven't been putting makeup for many years like that, so I am not a professional, you guys. So please consider that. And I just want to have fun, try out new products with you. See what kind of tips you guys could share. But first of all, hold on. Did you see that Fenty product? So when the video slows down, right? The product is basically, you can't see it clear. So I don't know if my light is too bright, or maybe I'm putting it too close to the camera, but we're gonna figure it out since this is a trial video. No judging over here, okay? And then I just realized I lost my train of thought somewhere there, so I didn't write anything down on this voice note. I'm just freestyling my way up. As part of the introduction part, don't worry, you guys, I will introduce myself properly later when you guys have the right questions to ask. But right now, what's important is getting this YouTube channel correct, because I don't want you guys looking at my videos like it's not clear enough, her background is too busy, it's too that. And for the reason I haven't been putting makeup for the last couple of years, I've been really living in a box, okay? I've been stuck. I've been trying to figure out my whole life, you guys, and I've been going through challenges like everybody else is. But I'm at a good place now. I'm finally starting my YouTube channel in God's timing. You hear me? Yep. And another thing I just remembered, these YouTube girls that I'm in love with, they always tell us to blend for your life, okay? So look at this. This is what I was talking about. You see those sticks I'm holding? Those are actually by your girl Rihanna, baby. You can't even see them in the video. So I need to figure that out. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh, why is this happening to me? But yeah, I'm trying to figure that out. That's next. I hope that I don't have to make my light less bright, because then I might look dark and not like it. I don't know. And another thing, you guys, I forgot to mention is that most of the products I'm using on this video are literally by Rihanna. The brush is by Rihanna, and don't mind it be a little messy. I have been attempting to make this video like 100 times. And yeah, do you guys want me to actually put down all the products like under this video, or should I just leave it at that since you can just see it on the video? What should I do? Let me know. Hit me up. And okay, let's talk about this beauty blender, you guys. This blender is terrible, and I got it from like a CVS. And tell me why it's so hard. It's not doing the trick for me, but it tried. But if you had to take that lighting away and take this camera away and look at me in person, you'd be like, what is going on with this woman's face? Okay? It was one of those. Oh, I love that palette. Did you see my palette? I love it. I think I got that from, was it Sephora or, yeah, definitely Sephora. Or MAC? Nah, it was Sephora. But yeah, I be getting matte makeup, you guys, and I just try it out and see how I can grow as my personal own makeup self stylist. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. I know it does. So I have to confess before this comes, I am not good at applying liquid liner. They never the same size. Like, someone send me a link on how to do it right. Like, I've been watching these YouTube girls, I've been watching Instagram models and everything, and makeup artists. I cannot do it to save my life. Oh, but let's talk about these lashes. Oh, yeah. These lashes are by a friend of mine, and she's a pure makeup artist. And when she's given a chance to beat my face to the gods, honey, trust her. She be laying it down, okay? And you're probably wondering, oh my God, she has an accent. Where is she from? She's from South Africa, okay? Yes, we're talking to a South African goddess over here, honey. Oh, look at that powder. That is either banana powder or the buttercup powder, the setting powder. Let's see if it helps blend this makeup out, because the Blender Beauty sponge thingy didn't do the trick. So, okay, not so bad. I see you, baby. I see you. Oof. All right. Come through, lashes. Come through. Changing my whole life. You would be surprised at what powder and a simple brush can do. Look at this face. Ooh, those features, honey, all the way from Africa. I'm so excited about this channel, you guys. I hope everything works out, and I hope you guys love it and you love me, because I love you guys so much. Thank you for giving me the time and the space to bring you this video, to talk to you and hear this beautiful voice of mine. Ew. OMG, you guys, I just have to also let you guys know my armpits were white, and I'm fully aware of that. I try to cut as much as I can so that you guys don't see it, because it's not so cute. But please do forgive. And now you know, when you meet this African goddess, baby, she be smelling all kinds of clean and good. So we'll talk about that later. But yeah, don't crucify me. I know how you guys can be so brutal, hey? Ugh, jeez. Who's ready for the transformation? Watch this face. Girl, you are so beautiful. If no one has told you today, you are beautiful. And I love you. Stunning earrings. I'm going to put the link below and the discount code for you to go get these earrings. They're stunning. Ooh, this whole video should be based on these earrings, actually. I should have done that. But you'll be seeing a lot of these earrings on my video, okay? So get ready. And remember, you guys, to live well, to laugh often and love more. Your girl, Motherland Goddess, signing off. Thank you for watching.